If you want to prevent YouTube Music from automatically renewing your subscription, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you manage your subscription settings effectively. Step 1. Open YouTube Music app. Launch the YouTube Music app on your mobile device or go to the YouTube Music website on your computer. Step 2. Sign in. Make sure you are signed into the account that has the YouTube Music subscription you want to manage. Step 3. Access your account settings. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the app or website. From the drop-down menu, select Settings or Account. Step 4. Manage subscription. Look for the Membership or Subscription section within the settings. Click on it to view your current subscription details. Step 5. Cancel auto renewal. Find the option to cancel or turn off auto renewal. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision, ensuring that you understand the consequences of canceling your subscription. By following these steps, you can successfully stop the auto renewal of your YouTube Music subscription. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to customer support for assistance.